Are you thinking of starting a digital marketing in 2025, but you don't know where to begin? Or you already started, but you're feeling stuck and don't know what next step to take? So don't worry because you are in the right place. So in this video, I will break down everything you need to know, step by step, even if you're starting from the scratch. Welcome to your Marketing 101. Here, we teach you how to excel in marketing, sales, and even e commerce with simple, practical strategies. So, if you're serious about learning everything about marketing, sales, and e commerce, make sure to subscribe and support this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will focus on the digital marketing in 2025. So the big question is, what is digital marketing in 2025? Digital marketing in a simple term is basically using online platforms to promote products, services, or personal brands. It is not just about running ads. For example, most startups run ads without knowing the three key things to a successful ad campaign. So, to run a successful ad campaign, you have to focus on these three key things, and they are visibility. You have to put your businesses in people's faces. And then the next one is trust. Let your target audience trust you. And in that way, it leads to the third one, which is conversion. You can easily convert your target markets to your customers. So, the next question you may want to ask is, how can I promote my products, services, or even personal brands? The first on the list here is social media marketing, where you use TikTok, Instagram Reels, even LinkedIn or YouTube videos to promote whatever digital product you have. So, another way is through SEO and content marketing, email marketing and automation, paid ads such as Google, Meta ads, and TikTok ads. So the last on the list here is influencer and affiliate marketing. So here, depending on your budget and your target markets, there are some influencers that can help you generate the right audience towards your products. So influencers are also good way to promote your products. So the next question you may be wondering is, why start in 2025? Yes, that is a good question. So let me tell you, even though we are already in 2025, it is still not too late to jump on the moving wagon. So the first reason here is more businesses are going digital due to e-commerce growth. Whether you like it or not, every day thousands of businesses go digital. Yes. So why don't you start selling your digital products and start making money instead of waiting for a particular time, because that time may never come. So another good reason for you to start in 2025 is that there are so many AI tools that are making marketing easier. Yes. So there are some AI tools that that have made marketing easier, that you do not even need to be a tech guru before you can start promoting your products. So the third reason here for starting in 2025 is that in 2025, freelance and remote marketing jobs are in high demand. You can check on Indeed, check on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, everywhere we work remotely. It's in high demand. So, uh, it's another reason for you to start in 2025. So, last on my list here is that it is affordable to begin. Yes, affordable entry. You only need a smartphone and an internet connection to start learning. So, what are you waiting for? There are so many free online tools where you can, start learning that digital skills. So, now I am going to be showing you step by step beginner's roadmap. Even if you are started, you can still learn one or two things here. So, the first step you may want to start taking is you pick your niche. Yes. So you may want to focus on a particular niche, either if you want to go into e-commerce, real estate, fashion, even personal branding. You should focus on that niche and perfect your skills in that area. So the next step after picking a focus is learning the basics. Okay, so you need to learn those skills, and there are some platforms, whether paid or free, where you can learn. And for a beginner, you can start with free platforms such as Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, even YouTube tutorials. Just keep learning, develop that skills. So, after learning the basics, okay, there are some key steps that you should master. I normally advise anyone that is going into digital marketing or anything digital. There are certain skills that you need to acquire, such as copywriting. Yes, you should be very good with copywriting. Write to impress, write to attract, write to persuade, even if you do not want to look pushy. Mhm. So the next one is content creation. Learn how to create content through videos, even graphics. You can even sell those contents, sell graphics, even on there are so many platforms where you can sell you generate a graphic and you sell them. So no skill is a waste. And the last skill I think you should master here is analytics, such as Google Analytics and social media insights, where you are up to date on the current trend. So, after mastering these major skills, the next thing you should do is start practicing on social media. So, my suggestion is number one, create a brand account on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube where you display your works. No skill is a waste. Display your works, put it out there and let people know that this is what you do. And then the second one is post consistently. Yes, when you post consistently, you learn on that. You learn. It's more like you're learning. You learn from your mistakes. You learn from critics. You learn from your past designs if you are into designs. So the fifth step here is build your portfolio. Even if you don't have clients yet, I advise that you create sample campaigns, okay, where you can easily share with business owners to let them know that this is what you do. Even from your accounts, brand accounts you created, display your works and let people know that this is what you're into. It can also be served as your portfolios. And then the second one is offer free or discounted services to small businesses to gain experience. You can offer a volunteer work just volunteer, or you can offer free services or discounted, just to do something to add to your experience. So having acquired the skills that you need to excel in this digital space, I normally advise that you start monetizing it so long as you feel confident about your skill. So there are various ways in which you can monetize it. There are so many platforms where you can freelance, such as Fiverr, Upwork, even LinkedIn jobs, just like I mentioned above. Offer services such as social media management, ad campaigns, SEO, or email marketing. Or if you want to build your own e-commerce or digital product businesses, you have the required skill to kickstart. So, many of you may be wondering that what are these tools to get started with? I recommend as a beginner you start with free tools. If you want to, try the paid options, you can. There are so many great paid tools that you can use to start. So for the free tools, I recommend for designing, I recommend Canva. Canva is a great, it's a beautiful tool that you can use to start designing. And the good thing is that they have so many inspirations. So you can pick from one or two inspiration and create your own design. And then for emailing, I recommend Mailchimp. For analytics, I recommend Google Analytics. Then for scheduling, I recommend Buffer. So for paid tools, if you're going into SEO, I recommend SEM Rush. And then if you want to be creative, just like Canva, but you want the paid one, you go for Adobe Creative Cloud. This tool is really powerful, and they have AI to help you with, ideas. And then for ads, I recommend Meta Ads Manager. It's really a good tool as well. So, for my bonus tips for the beginners, even if you have started, you can pick one or two tips from here to, add to your experience or know what to avoid. So, the number one tip here is don't try to master everything at once. I would recommend that you start with one or two areas to begin with. Combining so many skills together, I feel it can overwhelm you and you may lose focus. So concentrate on one or two skills. Focus on building practical skills rather than just certificates. I can tell you that there are some jobs that I got without certificates. Why? Because I have the required skills to excel, to do the job appropriately. So, my advice is focus on building practical skills than just certificates. You can acquire those certificates along the way, but first you need to know the skill. The third one is stay updated. Know the market's trend. Know if it is changing, what is the latest skill that you need to upgrade to. For example, right now we have TikTok and also so many AI tools. So the lastly, network with other marketers. Yes, there are so many marketers out there. Send them requests and know what you know those marketers do. It can help you stay in trend. So, there you have it, the ultimate beginner's roadmap to starting digital marketing in 2025. I am really excited about this, topic. It's really an exciting one, and I hope you enjoyed this, topic as well. So remember that it is not about being perfect. It is about starting small learning and improving every day. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to your marketing 101, and share this with someone that you feel, or someone who is starting the digital marketing this year. And in the comments section, tell me which area of digital marketing do you want to master first? Is it social media, SEO, or ads? Just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and share. Bye.